What's up guys, Thomas here, Traxxas EMAXX. Down at G-Pit, a little build breakdown with the new car that I got. Yep, of course it's a used one. The classic Traxxas EMAXX Brushless edition. So I got it a few days ago. It already have the RPM on all four corners, true track rear, the hard-coated aluminum shocks with tin-coated shock shafts. So these are the arms that were on the car. All I did was a deep clean on this. I'm gonna do this so you can see. There's not much wearness on the arms at all. RPM bottom. New skid rear because the stock one was grey. Stock front, as you can see, barely no scratches at all. I upgraded with the metal CVDs and also the center shaft, and added a mid diff, which I think I went a little bit too loose. So I'm running 80k in the front, 10k in the rear, 100k in the mid. The original one is 500k. So I'm gonna fix that. So if anyone can answer if I can use the cush drive system on this one, I think it's possible, I'm not sure. Sonderpaus 5800 milliamps 3S for 6S action. Thanks for watching.